This is a wood pellet production line with an output of 10 tons per hour. This is the crusher. This is the material coming out of the crusher. The crushed material falls into the pit duct. And tea goes through the feeding screw conveyor into the dryer. This is the rotary drum dryer. The dried material goes through the next conveyor belt into the pellet mill. The dried material enters the pellet mill via this conveyor belt. The finished wood pellets are cooled and then packaged. This is the entire wood pellet production process.